Got my coffee today. I'm heading out to a job I did last week. I think I did a spring change there. Yeah, I did a spring change. And while the door was opening, I was testing it. The capacitor blew out, which is this little part right here. I'm gonna go change it today, and then she wants another remote and stuff, so I'll probably get around in the 300, 350 range. There's less than 50 bucks in material. Pop that thing in and program a remote. So shouldn't take long.
I'm gonna need to pull my car out.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Or you can pull out and I'll pull out and you can pull in front of me. I don't know.
Okay. Can you put your car there and I'll back in?
I could.
Okay. Okay, I remember this job. Well, I've been putting in a lot of them in. I mean,
oh, really?
This is actually a Genie too. Like, you can just take this thing off. There's a capacitor in there. But I got you a brand new one.
This is the, wait a minute, this is a capacitor, right?
Yeah.
Something weird like that.
Yeah.
Whatever that means.
Yeah, that's it. It's like the starter motor thing on it that it holds all the energy. Because when you push the button, it's what actually keeps it going.
Okay.
But they get hot, and when they're old, they blow up. Like you just seen. Yeah.
Blue sky high.
Okay, I went back to that job where I charged her $7.89 for the spring change, and that capacitor blew out. And I went and put a new capacitor in. It cost me $11, and I charged her another $270 because our price sheets show I think $164 and $139 for the service, but I gave her 10%, so it came to $270. You basically plug it in and you put the cover back on. That's all it is, a capacitor, and 270 bucks. The old Genie in it, the capacitor blew out. But that never happens. Anyway, you guys, if you want to go out and make these easy checks everywhere you go, people are asking you to come out. Get your butt into gear and start going out and charging. You'll look back on working for people and you'll say, how the hell did I ever work for anyone? You'll say, I wasted my life going into a place every day like that. So anyway, more money, more money, more money. More money, honey. I'm gonna go in and get something nice to eat. Well, I'll talk at you. Click like and subscribe or sign up. Also, we're putting together a platform in our course. People that sign up, people from all across the country that do doors and have gone through our program. You can interact with them if you have any questions as well, and you'll have access to other people, other technicians. You know, if you want to get pricing, if you want to get any information you want, you can talk to people just like a Facebook page would be, where you can send messages to other people that are online. All right, we're going to be having that soon. So all you people that sign up, you'll be notified when that's up and running. That's all for now. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.